Here's how to change opacity in Photopea. So in this short tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can change the opacity of the pictures inside Photopea. So make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know what to do. First, just open up any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this video. You could use any other web browser. And yeah, here as you can see that I am on Photopea right now, and I got two pictures over here, right? And they are on maximum opacity. So let me just increase it to full 100%. So you can just, like adjust the opacity by just pressing on this little icon right over here, which says opacity. So you just gotta press on it and it will show you this. So you can just basically do it just like that, and you can make it disappear or make like, just like at 50%. Or you could just even take this one at the top and basically do the same opacity at this, and or even make it maximum. So yeah, you get it actually, that how you can change the opacity. But if you want to change opacity for both of these at the same time, you can just basically press on once and the second one like this, and both are now selected at once. Now you can just decrease the opacity for both of them at once, or like, make them maximum for, So yeah, this is actually done how you can change opacity in Photopea. It was pretty simple. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.